49. Here are some national symbols of our country. Can you match the symbols to their names? All of you know the national symbols. Let me see how many of you know. Look at A. Picture, the various pictures that are given on that page. Look at all the pictures, children. A, there's a river given over there. And it's written there, River Ganga. River Ganga, that is your national river. Number one, put over there A.
Page number
49. 49. Page number 49, GK books.
F. Ma'am, subject.
Page number 49, GK books. Number 1, A, national river is River Ganga. B, you can see the picture. Which animal is that? Aradhya?
Tortoise.
B, which animal is that? Look at the picture,
Ma'am,
Aradhya.
tiger.
Tiger, that is your national animal. So on number 4, put B. Number 4, put B. National animal, tiger. Then C. C. Page number 49.
फोन नंबर पर बी
पेज नंबर 49. सायांश, आपको बुक में देखना है और सुनना है जो मैम बोल रही हैं. When you concentrate, then no problem will be there. Now put your finger, your pencil on the picture of the peacock, that is C. Peacock is your national bird. Number 3, जो सेंटर में बॉक्स दिया हुआ है जहां पर लिखे हुए हैं नंबर्स 1 to 6. और number 3, you put over there C. Number 3, put C. National bird. Peacock is your national bird.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Aban.
Me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Aban.
Ma'am, I have done my work.
Okay, you've done your work. Then you sit quietly. Yes.
Ma'am, my work is
You've also done it, Hanya. Then you sit quietly and just check your work. Next, D, you have a picture of the lotus given over there. So that means lotus is your national flower. Lotus is your national flower.
Ma'am, subject.
GK.
Ma'am,
GK books, page number 49, are national symbols.
ma'am, national river.
Yes, Myra.
National river.
नेशनल सिंबल्स आपकी कंट्री के जो नेशनल सिंबल्स हैं. नंबर 1, नेशनल रिवर A. Then we finish number 2, national flower D, lotus. Number 3, national bird, we finish C. Number 4, national animal, we finished B.
Mango.
Now number 5, national fruit. Shanavar,
Mango.
Shanavar, which picture is given there for fruit?
Ma'am, I have to.
Mango. Okay. So number 5, put over there E. Number 5, put E. And the last one, number 6.
I have done.
Number 6, national emblem, the lion, capital of Ashoka. Ashoka was a king, a very brave king. Ashoka was a very brave king. Okay, and he had, yes, Prayan.
Ma'am, what's the number?
Page number 49, GK books.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. The lion capital of Ashoka. ये पिक्चर आपको जो दिख रही है There's a lion. There are lions of 1, 2, 3, 4 सब तरफ lions है. This is your national
Ma'am,
emblem.
next number.
Page number
Ma'am, next
49.
number.
Page number 49, children. National emblem number 6 पर you will write F. Now see in the yellow box you have some information given. It says info bytes. Jan Gan Man is the national anthem of India and Vande Mataram is the national song of India. Please write over there learn, children, very important. Put over there learn. Near that yellow box info bytes. That's giving you some information. Page number 49, Tashi. Tashi,
Ma'am,
page number 49. Yes, Arisht?
number F वाला भी क्या है?
नंबर 6 पे लिखेंगे F, national emblem.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, now turn the page. Now you have some festivals given here. Very colorful pictures. Look at the pictures. Now I think you will be able to tell me the pictures. We have done this lesson, social studies mein we have done festivals. So you should know the first picture. This is a festival of Tamil Nadu. The sun god is worshipped on this day. It starts with P. Now look at page 51, the blue box. Page 51, the blue box. Can you see the box over there, rectangular box? वहाँ पर सारे फेस्टिवल्स के नेम लिखे हुए हैं. अब आप क्या करेंगे, अभी आप मेरे साथ में वहाँ पर सिर्फ नंबर्स पुट करेंगे और बाद में ये जो ब्लैंक स्पेस है इसमें ये फेस्टिवल्स के नेम कंप्लीट करेंगे. So number 1 starts with P. Look at the box over there. उसमें P से कोई फेस्टिवल शुरू हो रहा है. The first one you have Onam, Raksha Bandhan, Holi, Christmas, Pongal. Okay. Put number 1 on Pongal. Put number 1 on Pongal. All of you. Pongal पे number 1 लिखने हैं सबको. Now look at the second picture. Second picture. Second picture. Which festival? Aradhya, you don't have to answer out of turn, child. You just have to raise your hand if you know the answer. Children, if you know the answer, you only raise your hands. Manvi, if you know the answer, you only raise your hand. Please don't answer out of turn. Now the answer Aradhya has already given, Holi, Holi. So in the blue box, put number 2 on Holi. Put number 2 on Holi, all of you. Bhavika, are you writing? Sit straight, Bhavika. Give me a thumbs up when you finish. Look at the third picture. The third picture, children. This day marks the end of month of Ramzan. A special dish called Sevai is made on this day. Which festival is that, Sidra?
Eid.
Eid, very good. Now look for EID, Eid in the blue box and put number 3. Put number 3 in the blue box, EID, Eid. Next picture, look at the picture. It's a beautiful one. This festival is celebrated in Kerala. It is believed that King Mahabali comes home on this day. Can anyone tell me? Yes, Rudra?
Onam.
Alia, again you are answering out of turn, child. What are you supposed to say, Alia?
Onam.
When you do something wrong, Alia, what are you supposed to say?
Ma'am, Onam.
Okay, Rudra, thank you. Alia, what are you supposed to say when you do something wrong?
Welcome.
Alia, what are you supposed to say when you do something wrong?
Sorry, ma'am.
Yes. प्लीज डोंट रिपीट दैट अगेन. हम बार बार आपको समझा रहे हैं कि आपकी टर्न आएगी तब आपको आंसर करना है. यू ओनली हैव टू रेज योर हैंड्स इफ यू नो द आंसर. So put number 4 on Onam, children, in the blue box, all of you. Now look at the pictures on page 51. This festival celebrates the love and duty between brothers and sisters. Brothers and sisters, भाई बहन का फेस्टिवल होता है. If you know the answer, raise your hands. Okay, Hania?
Ma'am, Raksha Bandhan.
Raksha Bandhan, that's right. Now look for Raksha Bandhan, it is below Onam. Put over there number 5. Put number 5 there, children. Look at the next picture. This is the main festival of Bengal. Goddess Durga is worshipped during the 9 days long festival. Yes, Ishi? Ishi?
Ma'am,
Durga Puja, that's right. Put number 6 on Durga Puja in the blue box, children. Now look at the next picture. See what the little boy is doing. He is enjoying himself with the fireworks. This is a festival of lights. It is celebrated by lighting diyas and candles. It is celebrated by lighting diyas and candles. If you know the answer, you can raise your hand.
Ma'am, Diwali.
Now who is this answering out of turn? Ashwil?
Ma'am, Myra.
Ashwil, why did you answer out of turn? I told you only have to raise your hand.
Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, first जो है उसका आंसर क्या आएगा?
Taiba, just wait. I'm talking to Ashwil.
Sorry, ma'am.
Manvi, I'm talking to Ashwil just now.
Okay, sorry, ma'am.
Ashwil, why did you answer? आपने आपकी टर्न नहीं आई थी, आपने क्यों माइक ऑन करके आंसर करा? Children, you are not following the good manners at all. If you are not going to follow the good manners, आप सीख नहीं पाएंगे कुछ भी. Ashwil, what are you supposed to say जब आप गलती करते हैं तो क्या बोलते हैं? Ashwil, what are you supposed to say when you do something wrong?
Sorry.
Yes, sorry, ma'am. Ashwil,
Sorry, ma'am.
yes, that's better. Yes, Taiba, you were asking number 1, that is Pongal. Pongal.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Yes, Manvi, what were you asking?
Ma'am,
Yes, Manvi?
ma'am, this is not Ashwil. This is Myra's answer.
Yes?
मैम Ashwil ने नहीं कहा था, मायरा ने कह दिया था.
I can see whose mic is on and answering, okay? Now, the next one, Diwali. Put number 7 on Diwali, all of you. I don't want to see any mics on till I ask you. Next, the last one, you can see Santa Claus over there. Yes, Tashi? Which festival?
Christmas.
Christmas. Okay,
Christmas.
put number 8 over there. Bhavika, mute yourself. I don't want the mics on. Put number 8 on Christmas, children. Now, turn the page 52. Page number 52. You have to color the train. Now in maths we have done shapes. Yes or no? Give me a thumbs up if we've done. Have you done shapes in maths? Okay, Mandvi is giving thumbs up. Myra, you have not done shapes in maths? Give a thumbs up if yes. Okay. So now this train you are going to color it up nicely. Put HW over there. This will be a little revision for you. For shapes, put HW, you will color the train. The colors are given, color the triangles red, ovals orange, the circles yellow, diamonds green. Now see there are some diamonds given over there. Diamond shape all of you know? Okay, the squares blue and the rectangles brown. So put HW over there. Now page number 53 children. Pot of gold.
Ma'am,
Yes.
मैम वो pot of gold है वो भी करना है.
No, we are going to do it just now. Okay. Solve each level of the number series and help Captain Good Luck. Look at the picture children on top. Captain Good Luck. Can you see Captain over there, the blue uniform?
मैम
Yes, Shanavar.
मैम
Myra, mute yourself.
मैम ट्रेन को अपने मन से कलर.
ट्रेन को आपको वहां पे जो कलर्स बताए गए हैं बेटे उन कलर्स को यूज करके करना है अपने आप. शेप्स कौन सा शेप किस कलर का होना है वहां पर बताया है, आपको रीड करके उसी की के अकॉर्डिंग करना है. राइट?
ओके मैम.
ओके, नाउ यू कैन म्यूट योरसेल्फ.
मैं बैठ दूंगी.
Ashwell, you will color the train that is given on page number 52. Alright? Now the pot of gold children. You have to help Captain Good Luck reach the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Now can you see the picture down below? There's a pot. There's a beautiful rainbow there and it is full of gold. कैप्टन कुक को वहां तक, कैप्टन गुड लक को आपको वहां तक पहुंचाना है. नाउ यू हैव टू सी द नंबर्स. दिस इज स्किप काउंटिंग. दिस इज स्किप काउंटिंग ऑफ नंबर्स. द फर्स्ट नंबर इज गिवन एंड द लास्ट नंबर इन लेवल 1. दिस इज अ काइंड ऑफ अ गेम. राइट? दिस इज अ काइंड ऑफ अ गेम. नाउ सी लेवल 1. 30 and 38 right at the end. So 30 के बाद हमने 2 skip करा, 2 numbers, so we reach 32. Put over there 32. Next number is given 34. That means 30 के बाद आपने 31, 32. Then 33 skip कर दिया and then you came to 34. Then you skip 35 and you come to 36. Level 1 complete. 32, 36. Have you put these two numbers? Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Alright. Now let's go to level 2. Number 1. Then you have number 3. That means number 1 के बाद number 2 drop करके 3 पर आ गए. 3 के बाद हम 4 drop करेंगे and we will come to 5. Right over there 5 after 3. 5. Myra, are you writing? 5. Next number is given for you 7. Then next 9.
10.
9. 10 को ड्रॉप करके नेक्स्ट इज 11. नाउ लेवल 3, 4, 5. लेवल 3, 4, 5 यू विल कंप्लीट ऑन योर ओन. लेवल 3, 4, 5 आप अपने आप कंप्लीट करेंगे एंड यू विल हेल्प मिस्टर कैप्टन गुड लक टू रीच द पॉट ऑफ गोल्ड. कैप्टन गुड लक को आपको नीचे पॉट ऑफ गोल्ड तक पहुंचाना है लेवल 3, 4, 5 अपने आप कंप्लीट करके. So put over there HW. Yes, Tashi.
मैम 3 4 34 के आगे क्या लिखना है?
Level 3, level 4 and level 5 you will complete on your own. Okay, you have 18, then
मैम आप भेजेंगी?
next will be 21,
ओके मैम, थैंक यू मैम।
18, then 21, 24 is given there, 27 is given there. So 27 के बाद again you have to skip numbers.
मैम आप सेंड करेंगी?
You will complete this page and send me
मैम
the
आप
picture.
सेंड करेंगी?
Shanavar, let me complete page number 53, level 3, 4 and 5 आप complete करेंगे और इस पेज की पिक्चर मुझे ग्रुप में सेंड करेंगे। शनावर, किस पेज की पिक्चर आपको सेंड करनी है? पेज नंबर, शनावर डोंट यॉन, किस पेज की पिक्चर आपको सेंड करनी है मैम को आज?
53।
53, that's right. All of you, have you heard? Give me a thumbs up. Okay. So now with that we come to the end of your class. We'll meet again in the next period. English literature. Yes, Taiba.